What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install the TechSpec tank guards on my 2022 Yamaha MT-09. I'll leave a link in the description for these. They're pretty good. Came with obviously the tank guards and some stickers which blew away earlier, and a nice little wipe to clean off the surface. So we're gonna do that first, go ahead and clean off the surface, and then we'll install these. All right, guys, I recruited my brother to do the hard work. I didn't trust myself. So we're gonna try on the bottom part of the right side right now. Luckily, it kind of goes with like the body lines. Yeah, it's gotta go down more, like right over here. Yeah, I think like that. And then push on that corner. Yeah, and then just slowly start pulling that part out. Shit's nerve-wracking, man, because once it's on there, it's on there. Sadly, we won't know if it's all right till we try and put the other one on. Sweet, man, sweet. Yeah, throw that little one up there. Oh yeah, we Gucci. Yeah, maybe a little over this one. Yeah, you just want that like small kind of gap. Yeah, that should be good. All right, now we're gonna put the top part on. Yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit harder because we don't really have anything to go off of. That should be good, I think. Too late now. Uh-oh. Yeah, well. Nah, it's all right. Well, we kind of the top part, but it's all right. Well, with these, there really is no wrong or right way. It's more your preference, but I think it's all right. I think it's a little bit cleaner like that anyways. All right, so now we're just gonna knock out the other side. Won't show you guys that because that's the exact same, but we'll show you putting on the top part here, guys. Now we're gonna do the middle portion. I'm gonna do it slightly under the seat though, because it covers up the logo. Well, I should say my brother's going to. Yep, perfect. See, I thought it'd be a lot harder to get that part under the seat, but surprisingly it wasn't. Nice. It's cool because these are functional, but they also make it look a lot cooler too. So yeah, it's the finish. Looking good, looking good. And I will say with these bikes, it's extremely slippery, so I definitely highly recommend one of these. Yeah, hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, just hit up that comment section below. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.